Hello students of class 7. Today we are going to start explanation of lesson number 3, that is further on Windows 7. Windows 7, we have already seen this lesson in class 6 previous class. You have learned about Windows 7 and some of its features like Windows Media Player Windows 7 has a built-in media player. Uh, you can work in multiple windows simultaneously in Windows 7. It provides facility of files and folders, and your files and folders can be grouped in these four formats: documents or music or pictures or videos. Then Windows 7 contains disk cleanup option, which removes unnecessary files from your computer system and frees up your disk drive. Also, you have seen in class 6 Windows 7 lesson the word pin and unpin, which are used to add shortcuts of the program on the taskbar, that is at the bottom of the screen. And you can unpin a program, the program will vanish. Suppose if I click on this one and select unpin, this Chrome program will disappear from the taskbar. So these were some of the features of Windows 7 we have discussed in the earlier class 6 book. Now we will proceed further on this Windows 7. That's why the name of the lesson is further on Windows 7. So we'll start from exploring the computer. It was also there in the class 6 also, but let us see again little bit of the new things are added here. We'll see in the later section. First of all, Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is actually an application, that is, it is a software of Windows 7 which enables you get access all the files on your system, files as well as folders. Now, what are files? If you remember, a file is a collection of data or information that was a name given to it. That means if you write something in MS Word, when you save it, it will be in the form of a Word file. So file may be in any of the formats like image, document, song, or video format. Okay. Now let us see how we can open Windows Explorer. So these are the steps as given here in this book. We have to go to the start menu, start button, and click on it. You'll get the start menu, and from here on the right side of the sub menu you'll get the computer option. You select it and this screen appears here, which is given here in this book. So along with the parts, you can see various parts are there. First of all, you have the title bar on top. Then you have the address bar here, which shows the address. Okay, suppose if you click on a folder and click on a file, you'll get the address of a particular file or folder. Suppose build classes. So this is the whole address of this folder classes. Then you have the search box here. You can search your file and folder under this folder build. If any file or folder you have to search, then you have some viewing options here. These are the viewing options. If you see in the book, this is the view options. Now what are view options? If you click on it, the down arrow, you'll get the list of view types. Click on large, see this one changes. If you click on medium, it changes like this. Okay, details, everything is mentioned: name, date when modified, what type of file, the size, everything is mentioned here in the details view options. Then you have the preview button, how it will look. The preview button, if you click on it, if nothing is there, it will show nothing. Let us double click it. So this is the class table. So I'm clicking on it, and the preview, that is what is there inside this file, will be displayed on the extreme right side of the Explorer window. So it gets, without opening the file, you are getting the preview of that file or folder. Okay, that's why it is called preview button. Then you have the content area. Content area is the area, I'm closing the preview one. Content area is the area where this whole area, this white portion where the names of the files and folder are displayed, this area is called the content area. Suppose if I click on D drive, this area where the folder names and the file names are displayed, this is called the content area. Then you have the details pane. This one is very important. So what is the details pane? It is given in page number, content area details pane. I've gone through all of this section: navigation, content area, details pane. What is details pane? It shows more details about the file or folder. Suppose if you click on a file or a folder, it shows with the name of the file or folder, date when modified, it is shared with whom. Okay, suppose I get a file like here, so it will show you the size, the author, title, okay, name, everything is shown here in the details section. Then you have another area called navigation pane. Now navigation pane is the extreme left hand side of the Explorer window. So this is the Explorer window, this is the content area, and this is the navigation pane. It gives you quick access to the folders and files. If you click on a folder, yes, like this, it shows you the files inside a particular folder. So it displays the files and folders here on the, it will only displays the folder on the navigation side. The files of the that folder will display on the right side in the content area. Okay, the whatever folder and files are there will be displayed in the content area, but only the folder names and the drives, disk drives, and the folder in, that's the subfolder inside a folder. So this is the main folder, what is there inside this folder. Okay, build is there. If you click on it, you get another folder, subfolder. So this is the main folder. So it displays the folder in a hierarchical order. That means that shows in the form of a folder, subfolder, and again another subfolder inside a subfolder. So in a tree structure, so everything is displayed in the form of a tree structure, and the files, corresponding files and folder of that particular folder is displayed here on the content area. So this is called the navigation pane. It enables you to get access important parts of the storage area, like your favorite location, Windows default folder, network computer, hard disks folder, everything are displayed here in this section. You can see the network also is displayed here. Okay, all the network, available networks are displayed here. Okay, so like this it works, the navigation pane. So next is the command bar. Where is the command bar? Okay, the command bar is located, if you see the picture given in the book, this is the command bar. That means if I show this one, this bar is called the command bar. You can see organized, written, including library. Okay, so these are the command bar. So what does it do basically? Command bar, left part of the command bar has options depending on where you are in the Explorer or what is selected file or folder. So what is selected file and folder is displayed here. Okay, so included in the library, that is. So this is the command bar. You can organize from here the layout, uh, The library